So good morning. This is the day. Yesterday I have not actually closed the finishing touch, so that today morning I could able to show you some good shot of the falls, the Jog Falls. So here it is. I am now. So just backside of me you can able to see the stream, and it is a surprise. You can able to see that is the falls. And there are very few people here. The scenery is very beautiful. The clouds are just covering up the top of the hill, and the stream falls down there. Even there is also a small stream flowing from that portion. I don't know about the sound quality because I have not attached the microphone. So there it is. So this is the stairs from where you have to come down. It is well maintained. So if you come early, there are very less people. You will get a really mesmerizing view of these falls. So this is the place I love, Jog. This is the place where I am staying. Hotel Mayura Geru Sofa, Jog Falls. Oh, that much cloud. Suddenly, there is a lot of cloud came around. And this is the entrance now. And some people came with their bikes, Harley Davidson, BMW. And this is now I'm way to the entrance. This is my room. So this is it. So this is the bathroom. So it is a good, well maintained bathroom. Size also is decent, and they have well cleaned, and they have written here sanitized for you. So it is sanitized also as per they are saying. And there is a small mirror for dressing. So this is it. This is the room. The room is quite well maintained and looking decent. So today we are going to stay here, and tomorrow again by afternoon we will leave for home. So that is all about the room. So just outside of my room only this Jog Falls is there. Today they told there will be a lighting on the Jog Falls by around evening 7:30. So that also will be very much exciting, and we are lucky that we came on the perfect day that we can able to see this lighting on the Yoke Falls. So guys, I will see you in couple of minutes after taking my lunch and little bit of fresh. So okay, हम लोग अभी मिलेंगे कुछ देर में after taking the lunch, because already अभी 3 बज चुका है. So we'll take our lunch and then I will go near just opposite only the falls. Backside of me you can able to see what is scenic beauty. So this is the bridge which connects to the Jog Falls. This is the backside. It's a very nice road and long bridge, and the scenery you can able to see backside. There is a river which is flowing down, and there is the falls. So now we are going to a bungalow which is just situated there, and from that side the waterfalls looks pretty much good. We can go at least near to the falls, I hope. So this is the view. From the other side of Jog Falls. There is a hotel here, but this is not maintained by Karnataka government. This is a private property, I think. So we'll go near to the falls and I will connect you again. So I hope you can able to hear the sound of the fall. So this is the other side of the falls. You can able to see that is back side of me, and this falls has some names also, Raja, Rani Falls. These two big streams which are flowing down, these are Raja and Rani Falls. And if you go see this side, there are some hotels where I taken the time-lapse video from that side, and that is our guest house where we are staying. So just this is the other side of the falls. So we are almost going to reach Bangalore another 2 hours. So आज तो आपको दिखाया मैंने कैसा लगा है. तो वो जो पीछे मेरा हिल एरिया दिख रहा है, दैट इज चित्रदुर्गा. दैट इज चित्रदुर्गा. वी आर इन चित्रदुर्गा डिस्ट्रिक्ट नाउ इन कर्नाटका. सो प्लेस बहुत ही अच्छा है. और ये TH24 हाईवे है. ये एक्चुअली स्टेट हाईवे है. ओकेशनली नेशनल हाईवे 206 हम पकड़ के गए थे यहाँ से, लेकिन वो रोड उतना अच्छा नहीं है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पॉट होल्स एंड रास्ता बहुत डिस्टर्ब है. लेकिन ये जो रास्ता है, इस रास्ते में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, एंड बहुत ही क्लीन रोड है. ट्रैफिक भी बहुत कम है. So you can take TH24 expressway, that will be far better. 35 किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा आएगा उस रोड से, लेकिन रोड बहुत ही अच्छा आपको मिलेगा. So hope you will like this video, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos what we are going to upload. Here is my wife and my kid. Together we will make our next trip possible. So subscribe to my channel and we will see in the next video.